Hey, Homeschool Planet users, it's Robin. Today we're talking about maybe everyone's favorite feature about Homeschool Planet, and that is the Rescheduling Helper. I was a paper planner myself for a long time, and I still love beautiful, soft paper and fun pigmented pens, but I don't like having to change things on paper, and that is where Homeschool Planet just really shines, is the ease in changing things. So I'm going to show you today a couple different avenues for changing assignments. I've let this calendar get behind to help with that. And so first we're going to look at the fact that you can have the scheduling helper set up to launch every morning when you open the program the first time by going to General, Helpers, and then it says Helper Settings. Automatically launch rescheduling and grading helpers each day. So you can choose yes or no. If it's on no, it will only be launched manually, but you can launch it anytime you like. If it's set on yes, it'll come up each time you log in. And you can X out of it and just ignore it, or you can deal with it. So whichever option you choose, you have total control. Now, if you're launching it manually, you'll see that you go to Helpers right here in the top and choose Rescheduling Helper. And then it'll give you three options. Reschedule overdue assignments only, so anything before today. Reschedule overdue and today's assignments as well, meaning I just know we're not getting to it today. I want it done before I go to bed, so I want to get everything rescheduled, or reschedule an entire day's assignments by making it a day off. So maybe I know tomorrow we're going on a secret trip to Disneyland and we're going to take a day off or something. So I can do it ahead of time. So basically behind, and today, and future. So I'm going to choose the third option first and show you how that works, and then I'll circle back and show you the first two. So if I choose reschedule an entire assignment's days, then I can go to whatever day it is. I'm not going to be doing school, and so we're going to choose September 20th, and I'm going to turn it into a red X. And when I do that, nothing happens. It's just no longer a school day. But then when I hit save, the software knows, hello, you have assignments on that day. What do you want to do with them? And so I'm going to look and see it has these assignments that are scheduled for Monday the 20th. I have the option to carry forward to the nearest class day and leave the rest of the schedule alone. So that means everything scheduled for the 20th will move to the 21st, since I know that Tuesday the 21st is a school day, but nothing else will move. So basically I'll have doubled up assignments on the 21st. Or I can carry forward to the nearest class day and shift the schedule by one day. So that means everything will push out. So if I was going to end on May 24th, now the class is going to end on May 25th. And then the last item is just delete them. And that just takes them away. Poof, gone. So those are the three options. Move them, but leave the rest of the schedule intact. Move them and push everything out, or delete them. You choose your option and hit OK. I'm actually going to cancel out of this since I don't want to delete that day from the schedule right now. But then I'm going to circle back and show you we can also go to the Rescheduling Helper. And we can say, I would like to reschedule overdue assignments only. And these two options work exactly the same. The only difference is, of course, that the second option includes today's assignments. So I'm going to select reschedule overdue assignments, and I'm going to get this list of all these assignments that I've had pile up in here. So I wanted to show you you can customize. So if you use this option, customize, what that does is it basically gives you all the different pieces in play so you can filter it down. So I could say for right now, I just want to look at Juliana's assignments. I'm going to keep all categories, all school years. I want everything on her calendar cleaned up. Or maybe instead I want to do all students, but I only want to look at our elective classes or foreign language or whatever it is. The bottom line is you can choose a specific date range. I only want to look at assignments in August. choose the ones you like best. I'm going to filter down just for Juju right now and click OK. Oh, she has nothing late. It's always that Maddie boy. So now I'm going to customize, and I'm going to say I want all. Well, let's do Matthew, since we know he has a bunch of things in the hopper. No earlier than, let's say, the beginning of this month until yesterday, and click OK. So basically here are Matthew's assignments that are not marked complete from September 1st through today. Now, I have 6 options across the top. The first is ask me next time and leave it as it is for now. This means I don't want to deal with this assignment. I can't figure it out right now what I'm going to do about it. The next option is never show this one again, which pretty much means I'm not going to mark it complete, and I don't want it to keep coming up. I will say be careful of marking too many that way, because then when you get we've had customers have thousands and thousands of unmarked assignments, and that will slow things down when the system has to load all those assignments each time. There's the option to en masse mark them complete. You can also delete items like on the previous screen. You can carry forward and leave the schedule alone, or carry forward and shift the schedule by 1 day. So these 3 are the options that you had on your previous screen, and then these 3 are new. At the top of each of these items, you'll see a radial button that isn't next to an assignment. When you choose that button, it makes the selection for everything in that row. So I want to mark all assignments complete. I go here. But then I realize, ooh, wait. I forgot. I need to move forward his math assignments, and I want to shift the schedule. So then I can go in and say, let's find his math, and let's move those out. So I'm going to just mark a couple of those, and then I'm going to leave the rest. So you make your selection for your different assignments, then you're going to hit OK, and just like magic, your assignments have either been marked complete or moved depending on what you selected. I hope that that is helpful. If there's anything else we can do to answer your questions, please let us know. You can reach us at support@homeschoolplanet.com. Have a beautiful day.